Good evening to everybody. Welcome to the moot court class. Yes, it is in progress. Now I posted something on the screen. The participant, anyone unmute and read what I posted on the screen, please.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening. Namaskar. Vanakkam. Assalamu alaikum. Abarija su Abarija asubahi. Asubuhi. Abarija asubuhi. International Olympic Day. The International Olympic Day, also called Olympic Day Run, is an international event organized every year on 23rd June to encourage sports and fitness. The theme of International Olympic Day 2021 is Stay Healthy, Stay Strong, Stay Active with the Olympic Day workout on 23rd June. Professor Dr. Mohammed Sahib Hussain.
Yes, thank you very much for reading the what I posted on the screen. Yes, good evening. Vargul namaskar, vargul vanakkam, vargul assalamu alaikum, vargul habariza subihi. And the good evening is usually the English salutation for the evening time that people say namaskar, either in the morning or the evening or at any time that you can say it is a namaskar, is a Indian tradition. And how do you make the namaskar? Can you tell me?
Folding both hands, sir.
Keeping
Both
on the
hands
keeping on the head, keeping on the shoulder.
with in the heart, sir. With
Which part?
heart, sir. On the
Pardon?
on the chest.
Yes, it is sternum. The thumb should have to touch to the sternum, or the folding the hands. Even the both the thumbs should be for attached to it. That is called Anjali Mudra. In other way, it is Anjali Mudra that you can make it out. That is a position that you can make. Yes, Vanakkam, it is a Tamil salutation, and I sure that Vanakkam is for any time, I believe, the morning, evening, and night also. Assalamu alaikum, any time. Habar is also be only in the morning time, because in the lunch time, we can say Habar is Chana, we can say, and the Habar is Jioni in the evening that we will say that. Because it is the Kiswahili of the Tanzania, which is language will be spoken mostly in the East African community. And the International Olympic Day, that is and sometimes we'll say the World Olympic Day also. But anyway, that both are the giving the same sense over there. And when you are reading, you read the day is run is an international event organized every year on 23rd June. You read it, but it is not 23rd June. It is a 23 June to encourage the sports and the fitness. The theme of the International Day 2021 is I quote, stay healthy, comma, stay strong, stay active with the Olympic Day worked out on 23rd. Here RD is there. 23rd June I unquote. Of course, the quotation is there, but here the quotation is not given by anyone. But it is the Olympic, that the UNO make it this quotation because the theme is made by the International Olympic Day, which is generally it is made by the they have given such a thing. And yes, either you can say it with the I quote or without I quote also you can say. But when the specifically the author is mentioned over there, then you should say I quote and then I am quote. Yes, Professor Dr. Muhammad Saib Hussain. So this is the roundabout the description of this. Yes. Now let us go to the our thing. Yes. What is that? Yeah. Of course. Thank you. I should not say now only the thank you. Yes, we should go. Yeah, it is a blue cover. Is it the blue cover? We should have to make it out because when you say it is from the respondent and defendant and respondent side, what cover should be there? Yes.
Red cover.
Pardon?
Red cover. It should be
Red
red cover.
cover. So now I will change it to the red cover. You see that how do you change it? Because this is another way of making it change. Yes, then you can select it, insert, then you can go to the shape, and yes, you can draw it here up to the last extent. Yeah, not here. Yes, up to this extent. Yeah, leave it there. Then Let us presume it is a red because red is not shown over here, complete red. Okay, let us take this as a red time being. And this opacity is there, then what we do, text wrapping we should go, and behind the text we can make it out, automatically it will come over there. See, this is the moot provision third, it is from the red cover, then the before Honorable Supreme Court of India, 8 New Delhi, and everything the same in the matter of the plaintiff and appellant. But here when you are writing, memorial submitted on behalf of the defendant, very good respondent. Of course, the legal representatives, counsel appearing on behalf of the defendant and respondent. This thing will be changed over there when you make it. The blue cover and red cover difference is. In the blue cover, what do you write? Memorial submitted on behalf of?
Plaintiff Virgil appellant, sir.
Very good, appreciate. Now let us go to the table of contents, as usual particulars, Virgil description and page number here, cover page is definitely the one, a small Roman, a table of contents come to the second, and index of the abbreviation it will start for the third, we can write it third, 1, 2, 3. Now let us see that what are the abbreviations to be made here, yes. Now when you have to collect it, the abbreviations, we should go from the first page. So the moot proposition, there is no any acronym or abbreviation or contraction. But here there is a contraction. See, this is a contraction. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. When this is a contraction, then naturally we have to go and make it down, the contraction here, honorable. But generally that will make it in a small letter. The first letter should be a capital letter. Then we'll make it out like this. Then the full form is, yes.
Honorable.
What
Honorable.
spelling?
HONOURABLE.
This is the full form of it. Honorable. Okay, that is the number one is over. See, this is the style you have to make it out to find out what are the acronyms and abbreviations used over there. So after the honorable, nothing is there, and here also section we wrote full, because if you write SEC full stop, at that time we can say it is an abbreviation there, but we wrote here SECTION and 100 and sabbatical 5 civil procedure code we wrote fully. In the matter of also we wrote fully here, but here one thing that we did it, LRS, here also LRS, is it or not? LRS, it is there or not LRS? Because when you mention here LRS, naturally it will be there. So now what is this LRS?
Legal representative, sir.
Oh, no doubt it is. Is it a contraction? It is an acronym? Is it, what is that?
It is a acronym, sir.
It is an acronym. I appreciate. Then legal. Oh, colon we have to put. Then legal representatives. Okay. Now next. Then we should see that what is and what comes next. So let us go again to the same page. LRS is over, so nothing is there in the first cover page of the respondent. That is the red cover. Then table of contents. Yes, everything is okay. Of course, the slash is here, but can you make it the slash? Can we write it the sign also? Okay, let us see that. Let me write it so that we can increase the number here. Slash that we can say because the Professor Hussain style of saying is, yes,
Virgil.
spelling
VIRGULE.
VIRGULE, Virgule. Okay, that is the one. Next, let us see that if any other thing is there. Yeah. Yes, Virgule, that we wrote it here. Okay, it's over. And here also, abbreviation and acronyms. Yes, nothing is there here. And index abbreviations, now we are making. Of course, this go to the next page automatically after some time. Then statement of jurisdiction, is there any in the President of Supreme Court of India? Nothing is there. Yes. Because is it the right way to write the SECT or SEC? Which one is the best way? Because I did not find T. So people write in this way. Is it okay? Hmm? Say,
Fix, sir, once.
see, suppose SECT full form, can we write in this way? SEC and full stop. No, here it is giving some other thing. SEC job, SEC full form subject. No, Securities and Exchange Commission it is showing over there. No, that is not the right answer. What is the right way of writing? Yeah. What is the right way of writing for the section? Section abbreviation. Let us see what it says. Google. Because in books I found, yeah, both way you can write it. See, SEC full stop comma or SECT. Both way you can write it. So most appropriate way what we have to do is this is the way you have to make it out. Not SEC. You can make it T, then where the full stop because it's a section. Sect it will come over there. So now we can write the SET full stop. Then we can go to the yes. This is the section. Of course, here we should not supposed to keep bold. Everything is small. Okay. So this is the section. It is clear. Okay, the section. Okay, there is no other thing, and of course we eliminate semicolon, colon, and other things because there are full stop that comes automatically in each and every line. So statement of the facts. Let us see. What is the statement of facts? Any other thing? The disease is there, legal activities, parentheses, no nothing is there. You observe also we anything should be put it there in acronyms and abbreviations. So I believe in the first paragraph there is nothing is there. What do you say?
Yes,
And
sir.
this in the second paragraph, yes, only the dates are given. Okay, that is put it over there, and Sealing and Regulation Act is there. We need not worry. Of course, in the act there we can mention over there. Urban Land Saving Regulation Act, only that the act they mentioned, but that is not an abbreviation, not an acronym. Hence, we need not worry about that one. And let us go for the any other thing is there. Nothing is there. And the fourth paragraph. Yes, yes, this thing is here. What it means? Yes, what it very good, very good. Welcome, welcome, Sandhya Rani. If I not been, yes, yes. So now we will go through it and put it at the abbreviation acronym, and this is the we can paste. Then full form is yes, then colon Messrs. I think I am right. Yeah, MESSERS, Messrs. So that is the way of writing, and where we are in the fourth, in the fourth or fifth Messrs. Yeah, fourth. So again, we could not see the any other new thing as the abbreviation, then defendant, and so on so so forth. In the fifth, last paragraph also there is no nothing. We can make it out there under the. So now it is the statement of the issues. Yes, here also nothing is there. We can mention because everything because virgule also we put it over there, but don't put this is arrestor and that is a starter here. Okay, and this is a parenthesis. Don't say here because that is not anyway. That is the full form that we make it out. Come to the argument is concerned. Yes, whether the section C, okay, right, nothing is there. To make an argument, you must cite the following cases which runs as like this. Section 7, nothing is there. Okay, now let us see in the cases. Yes, now the Gopati Nayagam Pillai versus Palaniswamy Nadar, and within parentheses, yes, okay, this is the style of writing. Suppose if you don't write the parentheses, then the confusion would be there because the first element is CR. That's why parentheses put it over here. And AR we can write. Yes, SCR we can write it.
Sir,
Is
V
it?
dot also.
Pardon?
V dot.
Where it is? V dot. Ah, yeah. Versus. Yes, versus. Yes, versus definitely we have to put it there. Definitely. Yeah. Because we should not leave it. Better we'll go again back to the verses. Where is that? Yeah, verses we can keep it out. Yes, that is there. And one should be very much cautious enough when you are writing the verses because there VER SUS you have to write because if you write FER SES that gives the another sense. That is the poetic language we will say verses. And this is verses means against. So that is the meaning of its verses. And then we can go back again to the cases, arguments. No, we are at the arguments. Yeah, and SCR we can say it. Yeah, SCR means
Supreme
yes,
Court report.
Supreme Court report. Yes, that is the thing. Yes, we can make it SCR. Later we can go for the alphabetical way of keeping. And okay, then keep the column and that is Supreme Court report. Yeah. So that is also over. Next we'll scroll down to the point. Here the cases. Yeah, the arguments. Yeah. So Supreme Court cases that is there. This is a semicolon. We need not worry. AR. Yes, AR. We have to keep it over there. And the AR means AR
All India
means
reporter. All India
all
reporter, sir.
reporter. Tar is should
Yes, sir.
come. That is very
Yes,
much
sir.
important. I don't know. Do you know how to read the All India Reporter? If anybody read any case law, hmm, have you gone through any time the All India Reporter? Sir, we did not see the All India Report. People said there is the All India Reporter, and you never gone to the library to see the All India Reporter. Is it not? Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, I appreciate your truth. Huh? Okay, now here, okay, in that paragraph, there is nothing is there. And JP Biller versus Ramadas 2011 Supreme Court cases. Yes, Supreme Court case or Supreme Court cases. Which one is correct?
Cases, sir.
Yes.
Plural.
Yes, plural is there. And Supreme Court, colon, Supreme Court, CORT court cases. Yes, next we'll again go to the arguments. Yes, in the second paragraph. Yeah, second paragraph. And P. Meenakshi versus P. Vijayakumar, SCC, already we mentioned there. So within parentheses they kept it because the 15th is there. I don't know if the 15th volume is there on the day. But why do you say the 15th? There may be something is wrong there. Because generally volumes will not be the 15th. Let us presume it because that actually the front one shows only the volume. That we represent it. So it is the duty of the plaintiff to plead them. So nothing is there, and you need not to keep the this double inverted comma. Can you mention double inverted comma? Not generally, you don't mention it. And then any other thing throughout is only one word throughout, and anything is there to mention because rupees we wrote in full form. Otherwise, we can write capital R and small s and full stop. But here I wrote the rupees 20 full. So if I write capital R and S, then you have to expand it there. And suppose if you want to increase it, you can keep it capital R and S full stop so that the list will be the increased. Okay. Yes, here. Here I did not write the full. So what you have to do again, we have to go back to the acronyms. There we have to mention the thing. Yes. So now
Rupees.
put it here. And is it the right way of writing the rupees? I say IRS should be there, but now people will not write it IRS because we are in India only. Otherwise, in other countries, if you are there, then you have to write INR, Indian rupees. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the way of writing. Because the same rupee would be there in the Pakistan also. And another country also the same, they use the word rupee. Now let us see what is the next. So This is over. Vijay Kumar Om Prakash over rupees. Where you are in the rupees? Yes, we are at the rupees 22 here. It is there, and then any other thing. Furthermore, it is only one word. Furthermore, nothing is there, and we should. Yes, nothing is there. In the above, it was our regular already. We wrote it in plain we wrote it, and the section also we wrote it. So no, nothing is there. Now the prayers. Is there anything in the prayers? Prayers, no, nothing is there. I also okay. SD is there. So signed. Can you say the signed or the
Signed, sir.
signature?
Signature.
No, because our learned friend has told me that it's not signature. It's signed by. So let us see that whether that is right or this is right. We can make it out. How do you go to it? Go to the search engine, then you type it, then you see, why it is came over here. Oh, because there it is there. So now select it and bring to the left hand side. Oh, it is not coming to the left hand side. So what we do? It is not coming to the left hand side. So what I do? Yes, I will type it here and make it live. So that is only the method we have to adapt it, because it is not listening the command. Let us see that what is it a signature or signed by? Let us see if it is the same
Signed by,
thing.
sir.
We'll make it out, then put it in the Google search engine and see what is it is said. Yes, signed full form. Let us say full form of SD is secure digital. Okay, this is not our card. Secure card. No, no, no. We want the signed meaning. This is not the meaning. This SD means signed. Yeah, you will find it here. See, answer 3 years ago, author 63 answer. And so, what is this? SD, but the capital D is here. SD and virgule hyphen. The word SD means signed or undersigned, usually seen on an official document. This SD is the signature of a person who has attested that particular document. So let us see that what is the full form SD in signature. In signature, SD means signed only. Yeah, it's signed. Yes, it is a signed only. We have to write it. Okay. Let us go to the memorials. Then we have to write signed. Okay. So now we covered totally. Yes, because SD is only the last one. No? Yeah, that is only the thing. Place, date, New Delhi, and everything is okay. No matter. So now we have completed it. Now, how do you keep it in alphabetical order? Anyone?
Sir, colon.
Uh, colon. Can you use colon? Because there is a semicolon also there. There is a full stop also there. We eliminate it. Colon and semicolon full stop we can eliminate. But stroke, yes, we can keep it over there. But generally, stroke also can be eliminated, because most of the places it will come over there. Okay, better we something we learn. So yes,
Sir,
please.
Messrs.
Messrs, we wrote it. No,
Meaning, sir.
it is a firm. It is a firm. You will say Messrs.
Man,
Like a Mister. We say Mister. We say Mrs. And the firm for firms that we can say Messrs.
manufacturing. Manufacturing
Yeah,
unit.
yeah, yeah. Any industrial unit, manufacturing unit, any organization. At that instance, generally you will say Messrs. And Messrs will be written like this: M capital letter and virgule and small s. See, I will show you exactly what it Messrs. So here we will make it out. Messrs full form. I will write it. Messrs full form. See, one way MS degree is Master of Science, and that is one of the meaning. And the business, when you take the business, because M, our regular small s stand for Messrs. MESSRS, and plural is Mr. and Mrs. That is the form. Of course, you say Mr. for the gentleman and Mrs. for the um, married woman, and Miss is for the unmarried woman. So for the firms, we will say Messrs. but MESSRS, but I wrote ES also there. I think that is wrong. No, correct. E is not there, I believe. E is not there. Let me check it. MESSRS, yes, MESSRS. E is not there, Messrs. For the functionality, you write it. For the names, Mr. And for the female, Mrs. Then unmarried, then Miss. And that is where we can make it out. And small v, that is the verses that we'll make it out. Now, how do you keep it in alphabetical order means you have to select it. Then go to, there is the icon A to Z, the arrow down. You can make it out. Then you say OK. Then automatically it is put it in the alphabetical order. In alphabetical order, when they keep it, no, signs come first. Signs and symbol comes first. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
And here virgule came first. Later on honorable and everything comes. So now the index to the authorities go to the next page. Yes. Now what are the authorities here? Let me see it. Authority in the sense we can say sections also. There is no doubt. We can say sections. And here we can say section 1908 we'll use it. Okay, let me keep it even sections, authorities, and yeah, section 10, this is also an authority, and of course cases also an authority, cases, and the civil procedure code, yes, and the next is the statement of facts, we can make it up. Yes, here there is nothing is there, and of course, we can write a specific relief act also an act, but we can use the 16C. If you use the 16C specific relief act, yes, we can make it there. Okay, let us see if it comes over there or not. Yeah, in the next, yes, here we can make it out this thing because it is also an authority and where we can keep it. Yeah, where we can keep it under authorities. Okay. Next, we should not make it bold. Then is the small one. Okay. Now let us go to the another. What is the other things? If you scroll down and check it, what are the other authorities are there? Yes, and yes, a specific relief and specific relief. Now the cases are concerned. So now the cases are. This is the one case, and of course there is a two citations. That is yes, we can keep it. Statement of jurisdiction, yeah. And here we can make it out. This is if you want more sections, acts. So that is one way. And here, if you want to make it English cases or Indian cases, then just say decided cases. Decided cases, either Indian or so. This is a side heading to make the distinction because these are also the way that you have to write it, the decency is there. And then we can, yes. So when you are writing it, yes, that there are two, what I say, citations are there. One is All India Reporter, the same thing is published. Again, another is Supreme Court report, also it is the same thing is published. Means what is the same thing? The same case law. So that is the one way we can, or we can keep one, that is choice left to you. So now that is it is over. Then next we will scroll down. This is one of the authorities that we already mentioned. Then the next authority is JP Builders. Of course, there are two at a time they have written. Okay, we can copy it and then at a time we can paste over there, but making the division later. And if you remove the and, it's enough. Yes, it is came over there. This and should be removed, and then we make the enter. It goes to the rank. So already it is there. Yes, it's completely. So next we will see what are the other things that we mentioned in the argument. Okay, argument. This is over. That is over. Then yes, Vijay Kumar is one of the authority. But where is the citation? Huh? Where is the Vijay Kumar citation? There is no citation is there. So better we'll search the citation if it is not there, so that we can write the full citation. That will be the helpful. But when you are writing the article and research paper, always citation should be in the footnote, not endnote. Endnote is the old style. Footnote is the new style. Yes, here it is given. So it is 218 Supreme Court online. It is there. Is it online? Of course, there is another case law. No, if the AR is there, better you will take the AR. Yes, it is easily available. The Vijay Kumar versus Om Prakash. Is it not? That is the same case law. Yes, it is the same case law. So now we can mention here also the Vijay Kumar versus Om Prakash, and this citation we mentioned here already. Okay, now we can make the just text size. Then it is not italics. It should not be there in italics. Only the title of the case law should be in italics, and ends with the comma. Then citation should be there. Yeah. So now we can select from here. This is the Vijay Kumar case law. Copy it. Then go for the index to authorities. There we can paste it. Yes, here we can paste it. Right. And I believe that is the last case law in the. Let us check it. Is it the last case law or not? Okay. Yeah, Vijay Kumar and so and so constitute. Of course, is the site. What it is decided over there, it is fully written, but there is no case law at all. So in the above contest, it was proved. Not it is proved. It was proved. Better we put the past tense. It was proved that the plaintiffs are appellant here, not ready and willingness to perform the contract because he failed to prove. Yeah, hence the section 16C is not applicable. What 16C? Of, say, of specific
Relief Act.
relief act of 1963. Specific spelling is wrong. SPECI. Specific. No, E is not there. Yeah. Specific relief act is applicable over there. So, and we successfully completed because prayers are, where are the prayers? Yeah, prayers are here. So we can drag it to the prayers. Okay, we dragged it the prayers. Now here nothing is there because everything is a common. Okay, now we finished it the way we have to write it. But only the thing is, we can streamline it, argument, we can drag it there. Then it is okay, statement, let it drag it so it to certain extent. Otherwise it will look not nice. Then other thing is okay. Statement of facts. Actually, this has gone to the next because only fresh page it is there. Why it is gone? Statement of why it is gone so much? Yeah. Yeah, it is gone to the next page automatically. Yes, statement of jurisdiction, it is there. And decide cases, index of authorities. Yes, sections, acts, and decide case. Now we can keep it in alphabetical order. So now when you are keeping alphabetical order, this second line is there. So what we do, if your second line is there, the problem would come. So you can minimize it. And every is the first line. So you can make the select, then go to the A to Z arrow mark, then you point it out. Automatically it will be, yes, automatically it will be made it is alphabetical order automatically. So now we can increase to the font which is needed over there. Yes, this font can be edited. So now it is over. So we kept it in alphabetical order, and statement of jurisdiction we also kept it. But now we will see that what we have to do. Pagination. Yesterday I told you the pagination. Now today I made the practice. I succeeded. So always pagination argument will comes the Roman Arabic numeral. So pagination now we will see. See, generally when you make the pagination, first you say insert, then you say page number, go. Then you make it customized because we have to write the small Roman. So we take it to the small Roman. Then we can say, yes, okay. So everything will come. See, everything will come in the page number. No, I only customized. So now page number on the top of it we want. So I said top of it. But I don't want the first page should not be numbered. So I put the tick. So first page will not be numbered over there. So it is not numbered. Now I will show you the way. And the second page is numbered automatically. So this is the first page and this is the second page. Are you seeing? Could you able to see? Small here, my cursor is there. This cursor I am showing you. Is it visible?
No, sir, it's not visible.
Because it is I can make it bold, but it's not agreeing bold. But here is there is a small Roman is there, small Roman 2. Here there is a small Roman 2, and in the next page is Roman 3. Here Roman 3, small Roman 3, because pagination I am making small Roman number 4. So up to that extent, where you have to go? We have to go up to. We have to go up to.
Prayer.
No prayer. Small Roman number up to what extent that you can make it out?
Fifth one, sir.
Oh, again you have forgotten. See, I already told you that small Roman number comes only up to the statement of points. From the argument, it is the Arabic numerals. I already put it on the screen. I don't know why you did not catch it. So, index of authority is the fourth page. And statement of jurisdiction, let me see, statement of jurisdiction, fifth. Okay. Statement of jurisdiction, fifth means each one page is there, so we need not worry. So we can make it center. Oh, no, this only will make it center so that it will look nice. And statement of jurisdiction, statement of facts. I believe statement of facts is one page or two page. Let us see. It came statement of the facts. Yes, it is a 6th page and 7th page. Yeah, 2 pages. Statement of facts, 2 pages. So we have to number it 2 pages. So 2, yes. And statement of point, definitely it will come. It will come 8th page. Now the argument. Now argument we have to change. See, when you see the argument, where is that argument? Is it the 7th page? It came the 7th page. Okay, I will make it a correction. Don't worry. So statement, yeah, this should have to go to the next page, no? Yeah, statement of fact is 8th page and argument go to fresh page because every side heading go to the fresh page. Yes, argument. See, in argument there is a 9th is here. So this 9 should be changed to. This 9 should be changed to Arabic numeral. So now I will changing it. See, first I will say insert. Then I will say page number. Then I say customize it because I want to remove the now. Then I want to see the Arabic numerals. Then start at I will say because we have to keep the cursor here. If not, if the cursor, you should keep the cursor here. Then you go to the insert. Then you go to the page number. Then we customize it. And if not, the same thing, customize it 1, 2, 3. And here start at we have to tick it. Started from 1. Then you say okay. But it is became 9 here. So naturally it should not 9. It is changed. No, I did not page break. I did not do it. Okay, now let me see. See, this is the 9th here. Okay. So now what I do now, page layout, you say page break and you say continuous. Then I say insert, then page number, then customize it. Yes, I will customize it. 1, 2, 3. Then start 8 I will say. Then 1 say and okay I say. So now again, at which place it should come? Top of the page. Yes, I say top of the page. See whether it came 1 or not. It came Arabic numeral 1. It came Arabic numeral 1. Whether it came Arabic numeral 1, here I am speaking. The cursor. Say yes or no.
Sir, it's 1, but Arabic 1.
Yes, Arabic numeral 1 we want. And here it is a 2. So now what you write in the content page here? Here, what do you write? Arguments, how many page? 1, 2, 2. Then automatically prayer will come 3. How could you know, sir?
Three.
Only how could you know what is there? How could you know? After 2, if it came to 2 pages, then naturally the prayer will go to the 3rd page. So prayer is the fresh page. We have to make it out. Yeah, prayer is the 3. Is it clear? So now I have shown you also page break how to make it out. Because when you go for the articles, especially book writing, preliminary pages always should be the small Roman, and chapter 1 it starts with the Arabic numeral 1, 1 to 3. So that's why even myself also, we learnt it now. No, after sometimes we could not use it. Now we will forget it. Yesterday also I have forgotten, but I succeeded later on. See, these are the from argument. It is a 1, but other things are see small Roman. Did you observe it? Yes. Now we have completely done this work. Total. From A to Z, I have shown you how to write it. From A to Z, I have shown you how to write it. Arguments, where the prayers are gone. Yeah, prayers, yes. Prayers, everything is right. So now I can save it. So this is the way that one can make it out when you are writing. Okay, now let us ask you something. And you know that IQ is intelligent quotient. And Einstein and Stephen Hawking, these are the 2 people who scored 160 IQ. But there are Indian born but settled in UK, but they scored 162 IQ. 162 IQ. Of course, they are the one is a girl, one is another is boy. So I will show you that IQ. Where is that? It is disappeared. Einstein not present. No, it is here. Yeah. Intelligent quotient. IQ is gone. Yeah. See, this girl, 12 years old Indian origin girl, Rajgauri Pawar, beats Einstein 160 and Stephen Hawking 160. She scored 162 IQ. Of course, those were under 18. And this boy, his name is, he also has beaten Dhruv Talati. This boy also beaten 162. Then how do you count it? You can ask it. This count is always, the test was not that difficult. No, it's not a difficult. But the time made it a challenge. See, they will give you and you have to complete it within a stipulated time. That is a 150 questions are given over there, and when you have to score, so of course not 102, attempted at least 150 questions and access the comprehension through it. But anyway, he scored a 162. This is IQ intelligent quotient is concerned, which shows the sharpness of a person. Which shows the sharpness of a person is concerned. So this is the total work which I did it today, and thank you very much for your patient listening. But again, the same thing will happening. You cannot learn the swimming unless you jump into the water. So today also I have shown you the way total blue cover page as well as the red cover page, and I will post you blue cover page to your WhatsApp group and red cover page to your WhatsApp group. But anyway, that if the possible is there, yes, the meeting ends. Of course, the 5 minutes are there still, not end. Then what I do, I will try to make a problem question and I ask you to do it. Sir, we cannot do it, sir, whether you do it or not. If this same phenomena is there, there is no question of going with any other classes. So in my view, that will be quite good, because part B is it is entirely court observation. So you have to go to the court and observe what the things are going on there. And part C is entirely the advocate's office. You can go to any advocate office, then they will show you and it is clearly mentioned in your syllabus also what you are supposed to do. So in your, I believe that everybody saw the syllabus, is it not? So in the moot court syllabus, it is quite clearly given. Yes, it is quite clearly given in moot court syllabus, part B and part C. And I will show you also that what they say moot court. Okay, let me go to the moot court, then I will show you. Yeah, computer shortcut. Yes, old moot court. Minor non not moot court is given over there. Or we can go to the syllabus. Why we should go? LLB syllabus we can go it. Then we can check it. The LLB syllabus. Yes, LLM, a list of college, LLM. Yes, LLB syllabus. Yes. Yes, here moot court we can type it, and the part B, part A only I dealt now. It is find moot. Yes, this is moot court. We will go directly to the moot court. Yeah. Why do you say this is LM? This is not the LV. This is LM that I put it. LM syllabus that is. That's why it could not be shown. Okay. Now we will see this is the LLB syllabus. Where it is written. Yes, now found it. And the moot, M-O-O-T, moot, when you go it, yes, you will find it part A. Yes. And today I dealt only the part A. That is, this is the part A. So moot court 30 marks should be there. And this is part B, observation of the trial, and two cases you have to write it. One is civil and another is criminal, 30 marks. And this is C, interview techniques and the pre-trial preparation internship diary. That is the advocate diary, and where you have to take an interview of a person, then ask the question and get the answer. And for getting the tracing out, the not tracing out, but the getting the not getting and extracting the facts from him. That is the appropriate word. And interview technique and pre-trial preparations. How do you make the trials? What is the model that you can make it? Of course, this is a part of the DPC also. And the internship diary, then you have to enter the diary. Of course, if you go to the advocate's office, that you will find the diary, and from there, you can make it out. So these are the things you should have do practically by going to over there. Of course, once the virtual things will go away, the physical courts will be applied over there at the time that you are supposed to attend the course. So this is the whole thing of the matter. Now you tell me that if any questions there you can ask me, but one thing you should keep in mind. See, whatever you ask, whatever I give, it is recorded over there, it is in the YouTube. Yes, anything? So what do you do tomorrow? Because today I did my job well. So far, even I have shown you the computer savvy. SAVVY, savvy, means computer application. What the computer savvy I have shown today? Yes? What computer savvy I have shown today? Why you are not giving the reply? At least you say pass on. You
Pass on. Pass
I
on.
have shown you how to underline it, how to paste it, how to cut it, how to
Yeah.
make bold, how to make italics,
Okay.
and how to make the even pagination, that is from cover page to the till. It is a statement of the points or statement of the issues. We have to make the small Roman